nagsintas sa akin. Ganyan. So, the sweetness. Oh my God! Baby one!
Mag-vlog ka mag-isa mo.
Mag-vlog ka mag-isa mo. So, this is ZB1. Pero dahil ka dyan, this is 5. 8 is. Malis ka dyan. So, this is for Enhypen. Ayan. The color changing. Hindi ko mabasa. Color changing mini glass. Ano yun?
Dito po.
Ah, okay. Thank you po. Ay, ayan.
This one?
The color changing mini glass. Ayan. So, nag-change yung color niya. Malamang nakalagay nga eh. Color
Really?
Plus 1 for.
Really? Ang cute.
Chungoni.
Ang cute na gusto ko ng band-aid.
Oh, hala! Anong klaseng Band-Aid to? I also have the instant photo set worth 400 pesos. Hindi ko alam kung ano naman. Photo set. Malamang. Ooh. It's the Fury. 700 siya.
I'm so...
Trading card set. Meron silang trading card set ng Walk the Line. 3,000 each siya. They also have this Enhypen pop-up in Taipei. The lenticular photo magnet set and it costs 1,000. Kapag nagtitipid kayo pero gusto nyo bumili, Band-Aid na lang. 100 pesos lang. We also have the Roman Santos necklace.
Told you.
Oh my gosh. It's
I want to
1,600.
see it.
They have
Buy one.
every members naman.
Please. What does it look like?
They also have the film camera. Enhypen pop-up film camera. It contains 27 shots. It's 2-2. 400 na lang yung ticket nila. So, bilhin nyo na ang aking baby. It's the long sleeve shirt, white and black. It costs 2,000.
Uwi na po.
So, yun lang yung laman ng pop-up ng Enhypen. Meron din sila for treasure, for rides. Ayan. Finding the black bag. And it costs 1,000. So, ang makukuha mo dito, 3 items for 1,000. Either you get Rockpink BTS 17S pa, twice. Hindi ako bibili kasi walang Enhypen na nakalagay. So, 17. Yan yung money. So, pag yung sa Kim Gayon, pag sa Kim Sana, Niti, and Hypen. Yay! So, that's it. Dahil bagong sahod ngayon, magtatanong tayo ng picket ni Jungsong if meron. Kasi, wala daw! Paano ako bibili? Kung kailan mo